Imagine a battlefield where robots make split-second decisions, drones fly autonomously, and defense systems react instantly to threats. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of warfare, powered by AI. Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing military operations. Welcome to The Universe is Watching, your premier source for insights into space and technology. Today, we delve into the fascinating and controversial role of AI in future warfare. We'll examine how AI is changing military operations, the advancements driving these changes, and the ethical debates surrounding this technology. Let's dive in. Number 1. Technological advancements. AI technology is transforming warfare. Through the development of autonomous weapons, intelligent drones, and advanced defense systems, autonomous weapons can identify and engage targets without human intervention. This includes land-based robots, capable of patrolling and securing areas. Intelligent drones are another game changer. These drones can conduct surveillance, deliver precision strikes, and support ground troops with minimal human control. Swarm drone technology, where multiple drones operate in coordination, is particularly promising. Advanced defense systems powered by AI can detect and respond to threats faster than human-operated systems. These include missile defense systems that track and neutralize incoming threats, and cybersecurity measures that protect against digital attacks. Number 2. Strategic superiority and operational efficiency. The integration of AI in military operations offers significant benefits. AI-driven systems provide strategic superiority by enabling faster decision-making and precise targeting. This reduces the risk to human soldiers and increases operational efficiency. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from satellites, reconnaissance missions, and intelligence reports to provide actionable insights. This enhances situational awareness and helps commanders make informed decisions quickly. Moreover, AI's ability to operate in environments that are too dangerous for humans, such as contaminated zones or high-risk combat areas, further enhances military capabilities. 3. Ethical and legal concerns. However, the rise of AI in warfare is not without controversy. One of the major concerns is the ethical implication of autonomous weapons, making life and death decisions. Can machines be trusted to adhere to the rules of engagement and avoid civilian casualties? Bias in AI algorithms is another critical issue. Flawed algorithms could lead to unintended targeting errors or disproportionately affect certain groups. Ensuring transparency and accountability in AI systems is crucial. Legal frameworks also lag behind technological advancements. There is an ongoing debate about how international laws of armed conflict apply to autonomous weapons and what regulations are needed to govern their use. In summary, AI is set to revolutionize warfare with autonomous weapons, intelligent drones, and advanced defense systems. While these technologies offer strategic and operational advantages, they also pose significant ethical and legal challenges. The future of warfare will depend on how we balance these benefits and risks. What do you think about AI's role in future warfare? Is it a step towards greater security or a threat to humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the world of space and technology. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious. I send love and light your way.